Hey guys, what's up? And we're here with another Hunger Games, survival games, whatever you want to call it. But I'm playing it on a different server this time because I want to Modplex. Just because I want more tokens. I need more tokens. You know, Super Smash Bros. Super Smash Bros. Super Smash Bros. Survival games. Oh. Alright, let's start that one. I could throw axes, or I could be a knight, which is... I think I'd rather be a marksman. Alright, now the goal of this episode is to throw axes at people. I love Modplex. It's the best server in the world, I'm not even joking. Name one server that has all of the games in this, plus more, and all of the fun, and a unique way to join the game. And this is pretty unique. Yeah, it's like, oh my gosh. Alright, so oh yes, 17, 16, 18, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, why do keep people start? If anyone needs 7, 6, 5, 4. What? No, did not happen. No. I have faith in this one. Hardcore. Oh. Stupid extra sensitive. Yay. Alright. 3, 2. Oh yeah, yay. TNT. Yeah, no one went for me. Hey. Yeah, as you see, there's no grace period, so it's you go in, you have a chance of death. Instead of Scatty's Minecraft where it's like, oh yeah, grace period, it's so amazing. Which kind of is. Alright. Oh, let me put on my armor that I got. Pants. Yeah. I am failing miserably. Alright. I believe this is it. Oh wait, this is the one with the wizard character thing, isn't it? I felt I would play on this server one day. But the truth is, I've never played Hunger Games. I've always played like Turf Wars and stuff. Well then, okay. I just took double the fall damage, so it's completely fair. If you don't understand me, I was being sarcastic. You obviously don't know much about me if you don't know about my teammate being sarcastic. This is really hard, actually. Why would they design something like this? A chest. Yes. I believe. Oh. I'll find a way up there. Oh, so laggy. So laggy. Someone help me. Lag, please. Hello? Hello? I did it. I did it. If this is, yeah, axe, you know. Actually, this is a pretty easy chest. Gotta exchange. Bam. Yay. Shift click. Just go on my torso. Yeah, no, I need some booties. Oh, I need that axe. The iron axe, I need it. Alright, stone axe. Oh no. Oh. Alright, but I have an axe. It's ready for throwing. Let's do this. Probably gonna be too scared when I see someone to throw it. Alright. What just happened? I think I just picked something up. No. Aww. I just want to see if, does it allow me to see? No, it doesn't. Alright. I guess that was our round of Hunger Games. That was kind of quick. Let me think. If there's a quick game here, actually let's try Minecraft Racing. Show extra bonus. Yeah. 0 out of 10. 0 out of, no one plays that. Alright. Champions. What's the 5x winning champions? Yeah, no. How about some bridges? Even though that's like not at all. The bridges. Oh no. What? 29. Yes. Bridges. I did it. What? Oh. I just have to watch games. Alright. Well, I guess that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. As always, basics. And I hope you enjoyed, everybody.